I don't get tired if you don't grow weary of being compassionate toward me. All this thirst equipment must surely be tired of me. The water jar, the water carrier. I have a thirsty fish in me that can never find enough of what it's thirsty for. Show me the way to the ocean. Break these half measures, these small containers. All this fantasy and grief. Let my house be drowned in the wave that rose last night out of the courtyard, hidden in the center of my chest. Joseph fell like the moon into my well. The harvest I expected was washed away, but no matter. Joseph fell like the moon into my well. The harvest I expected was washed away, but no matter. Joseph fell like the moon into my well. The harvest I expected was washed away, but no matter. A fire has risen above my tombstone hat. I don't want learning or dignity or respectability. I want this music and this dawn and the warmth of your cheek against mine. The grief armies assemble, but I'm not going with them. This is how it always is when I finish a poem. A great silence overcomes me, and I wonder why I ever thought to use language. Summary of A Thirsty Fish by Rumi. The poem A Thirsty Fish by Rumi is about a person who feels a deep longing for something bigger than the world around them. They compare themselves to a thirsty fish that can never drink enough water. What they really want is to connect with something endless, like the ocean, which represents love, happiness, and feeling close to God. The poet says that small things in life, like material things, are learning to look important. Don't make them happy. They just want love, kindness, and the beauty of the world, like music and the morning sunrise. The poem ends by saying that when they finish writing, they feel so quiet inside, almost as if words aren't enough to explain these deep feelings. It's about how the heart and soul are always searching for something greater and more meaningful.